Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off effects on the Cookie Run Kingdom application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. This is my Cookie Village, and you can find different buttons on the home screen. You go to the three line at the upper right corner of the screen, go to the settings button, and in the sound section you can find the second button, the effect. And if you want to turn off, click to the off button, and if it will be turned green, this function will be enabled, disabled. And if you want to edit the volume of the effect, click to the square icon and just pull on the line and on. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.